Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at lovebread.com, a website claiming you can earn easy money just by signing up and sharing links. It sounds like a dream, but let's be honest, most dreams involving free money usually end with you waking up with a light wallet and a heavy heart. When we checked the registration info, we found the domain was created on November 21st, 2025. It's literally only a few days old, making it so fresh it's practically still in the oven. While being new isn't a crime, a money-making platform with zero history is about as trustworthy as a toddler with a permanent marker. Next, we went hunting for customer support, and the results were predictably pathetic. Email? Nope. Phone number? Non-existent. Live chat? Only in your imagination. There is absolutely no way to contact anyone if things go south, which is a great strategy if your business model is take the money and run. Any real company handling your cash would at least give you a functional contact method, but these guys couldn't even be bothered to set up a fake one. Then there are the payouts, $50 per sign-up and $2 per click. If those rates were actually real, the global economy would have collapsed by Tuesday morning. It's clearly a scheme designed to make you do their marketing for free while they offer absolutely nothing of value in return. The site also boasts over 300,000 members and $9 million in payouts. It's a real shame they forgot to include trivial things like proof or common sense. We're talking zero screenshots and zero payment confirmations to back up those massive numbers. They even list user reviews with generic names like Zakali, but provide no faces, no links, and no credibility. We checked Trustpilot, Reddit, and every other reputable corner of the internet, only to find a whole lot of nothing. The site basically appeared out of thin air, much like your chances of actually seeing a payout from them. So, what's the final verdict? Between the brand new domain, the total lack of support, and those hilariously unrealistic promises, lovebread.com is essentially a parade of red flags. There is no solid evidence that a single cent has ever left their pockets and entered a user's bank account. The whole system relies on you recruiting more victims to keep the fantasy alive for just a little bit longer. My advice? Approach with extreme caution, or better yet, just stay away and save your time for something that actually exists. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this reality check, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more scam-busting content. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.